Good morning, students. Welcome back to plus 2 first year English. Yesterday we discussed some of the paragraphs of the prose standing up for yourself, written by Yevtushenko. Today we shall begin from this class. That means we shall begin from where we have left. Now let's have the word that is your unit 3 warm up. Yes, warm up, right? Warm up. Does the narrator have an encounter? Here is the word encounter. Could understand? This is an encounter. So does the narrator have an encounter? Encounter means samna samni. Narrator samna samni thila ki with red. Red soita, you know, red is the gun or the ruler of the street. Gunda, dada, rowdy. So with red, here is the question. How many times? You know how many times means kete thara. Did he come across? Evolia ro samukhino hoichi red. So the question is, does the narrator have any encounter with red? If yes, how many times? How many times did he come across red? With the next, what was the outcome? Outcome in phala for result. What was the result of his encounters? Tara samana saminino phala phala kono. What was the result of his encounter, whether good or bad, with red? Read the following unit of a text to find the answer. So our answer pai let's read the unit of the text to find a answer. Yes, the text. I wanted. Here I wanted means who wanted. I means the author wanted. I wanted to conquer dakhal kariba. So who wanted to conquer and what? The author wanted to conquer his fear. My fear means the author's fear, writer's fear. I wanted to conquer my fear of red. You know, the writer was afraid of red. He wanted to conquer it. He wanted to not to fear red anymore. This was his try. So I wrote a poem about him. Who wrote a poem about him? The writer wrote a poem about red. Could understand? Why? To conquer his fear of red. This was my first piece of journalism, and that writing was the first piece of his journalism in verse. Verse means you know kavita. Kavita rupare use prathama sambatika bad. By the next day ta por dina the whole street means you know entire say gully knew it jani deythile by heart माने पूरा घोषी देते न्यू बाय हार्ट माने मन भितर पूरा माखी जाइए एंड एक्साल्टेड मीन्स आनंदर विभोर होते विथ ट्रुइम्फेंट विजय मीन्स विजय हेटेड विजय कर आनंदर उल्लसित हो उठी वन मॉर्निंग दिस इज वन मॉर्निंग ऑन माय वे टू स्कूल वन मॉर्निंग ऑन माय वे टू स्कूल मु रास्तार जाऊा विद्यालय को जाऊा समय दिने सकाळे I suddenly means who? The writer suddenly, हठात किना came upon, I have told you came upon, हठात भेटिले whom? I came upon red को देखागला. And his lieutenants, तार copycats, तार aides, तार associates, तार ये पढ़ी नेता गुड़ा को सब देखा, चमचा गुड़ा को देखागला. His eyes seemed, whose eyes seemed? Red's eyes seemed. से गुंडा रेड आखि जना पड़ता टू बोर बीती थ्रू माने सत्य कि भीतर माने गिड़ी पशिला एत गिरे से अनौला हु द रेड्स आइस वेर Hey, the poet. Ha, you are a poet. Hey, poet. Who said it? Red asked in a scoping tone. He traveled very dhira, namra, slow, but a deep sound, making deep sound. Smiley crookedly. What a kutila purna, jatila purna, oh, sorry. So, you write a verse to Kavita Lekhu, nahi? Do you do the rhymes? ସେମାନେ ଗୀତ ମାନେ ରାଇମ୍ କରନ୍ତି କି? ତ ନେକ୍ସଟ Red's hand darted into his pocket. While he said it, his hands darted into his pocket. ସିଧା ତା ହାତ ପକେଟ୍ ଭିତରେ ପୁରେଇ ଦେଲା. And came out the hand darted into pocket, entered into the pocket and came out. When it came out, it was armed with his knuckle daughter. ସେ ପଦାକୁ ବାହାରିଲା ବେଳୁ ସେଟା ତାର ନକଲ ଡଟର ଆରାମରେ ସଜ୍ଜିତ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି. ତା ହାତରେ ନକଲ ଡଟର ପୁରା ଲାଖି ରହିଯାଇଛି. Could understand? That means what happened? When Red met with the writer, he immediately got angry. He entered his hand into pocket and brought it back with the knuckle duster in his hand. It flashed ମାନେ ଚମକୁଥିଲା ଲାଇକ୍ ଲାଇଟନିଂ. ସେ ନକଲ ଡଷ୍ଟର ବିଜୁଳି ଭଳି ଚମକୁଥିଲା. What was flashing? His knuckle duster was fighting and struck my head. Could understand what did Red do? Red darted his hand, put his hand into the pocket immediately and brought it out with the knuckle duster, armed with the knuckle duster, and with the knuckle duster he hit hard at the writer's hand. ତାଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ଜୋର ଗୋଟେ ମାଡ଼ ଧକ୍କା ଦେଲା knuckle duster. I fell down means who fell down? The writer fell down streaming with blood. ରକ୍ତ ଜୁଡ଼ୁ ଜୁଡ଼ୁ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ସିଏ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା. ରକ୍ତ ଝରୁଛି. And lost consciousness. lost ଚେତା ବୁଡ଼ିଗଲା. So who lost consciousness? The writer lost consciousness. What happened to the writer when he was beaten up by the knuckle duster? The writer fell down with streaming with blood. This was my first remuneration mojuri, wage. This was my first remuneration, first wage, first price of as a poet. I got my price, I got my wage, I got my remuneration. Could understand? I received my remuneration, I price. Could understand? I spent several days in bed. So he was so much injured that he needed several days to stay in bed, to take rest in bed. ଏତେ ଜୋରେ ମାଡ଼ ହେଇଥିଲା ସିଏ ବେଡ଼ରେ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ରହିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିଲା. When I went out, after some days, when he was recovered from the injury, he went out. Who went out? The writer went out with my head still bandaged. And when he went out, his head was still bandaged. ପୁରା bandage ପଡ଼ିଛି ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଉପରେ, ତାଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଉପରେ. I again saw red. ପୁଣି ଆଉଥରେ ଦେଖାଗଲା. I came across red. I struggled with myself. ମୁଁ ସଂଗ୍ରାମ କଲି ଯେ I want to live, I want to flee. ଧାଇଁବିନି. I want to fear. ଡରିବିନି. But struggled with myself, but lost and took to my heels. But took to my ସିଧା ଛାନିଆ ହେଇକି ଧାଇଁଲି. At home, ଘରେ I rolled on my bed. ମୋର ବେଡ୍ ଉପରେ ଗଡ଼ିଲି. Biting my pillows, ମୋ ପିଲୋ ଚୋବେଇଲି and pounding it in the same. ଲଜ୍ଜା, same means ଲଜ୍ଜା. Pounding means ଛେଚିବା. ତ as I could not do anything, I was just ashamed of myself. ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଲଜ୍ଜିତ ହେଲି. That thing I did. I could not do anything against Red. I could not overcome the fear of Red. Redର ଭୟ ଛଡ଼େଇ ପାରିଲି ନାହିଁ. And important fury, ବିଫଳ ରାଗ. ରାଗ ପଡ଼ିଲି କ'ଣ ହେବ? That is important. Fruitless fury, fruitless anger. At my cowardice ଭୀରୁତା. ମୋର ଭୀରୁତା ପାଇଁ ବୋଲିକିରି ମୁଁ ନିଜେ I was ashamed of myself. I made up my mind. ମୁଁ ମୋ ମନଟାକୁ ସ୍ଥିର କଲି to vanquish. Here vanquish means to defeat. ପରାସ୍ତ କରିବା. It at whatever cost. ଯେକୌଣସି ମୂଲ୍ୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ I must take revenge. So now let's have a grocery. Exalted its meaning is showed great joy and excitement. I have told you जे महानंद देखा उत्तेजना देखा ट्रुइपेंट विजय showing a great joy or a satisfaction. Next, bore through to stare in a way that makes somebody feel uncomfortable. एमती अनेला निजको माने गोटे अलग अलग लगिला. Trial to say something slowly with a long vowel sounds. Important puri futile angle and vanquish defeat completely. I have told you vanquish means parasta kariba. Next one is let's yes this one. Think about here are some questions. Let's discuss the questions. What was the first thing? What was the first thing the narrator did to overcome his fear of red? Yes, to overcome his fear of red, the writer wrote a poem about him. This was the first thing the poet did. He criticized red in the poem. No, he did not decide, but he just wrote a poem to overcome his fear of red. Next one is how did the people in the street respond to the poem? So the people of the street after knew the poem by heart within no time. In this way, the people in the street responded to the poem. Next one is explain the expression truipent hatred. So truipent hatred means the people of the street hated red. He was just everyone hated him. When the narrator write a poem criticizing him, people showed great joy and satisfaction over it, for they hated red. Next question is how did red sneer the narrator sneer vele upekya kariba, khate vigleva. So as soon as red sneered at him saying, "Hey, the poet, so you write a verse, do they rhyme?" So these are the things. In the sneering words, red used with the poet. Next, what was the result of his first encounter with red? The result of his first encounter with red was that the writer was badly injured, badly hit by the knuckle duster of red. He was bedridden for a long time. This was the next one. What was the result? Next, question number 6. This was my first remuneration as a poet. Remuneration means parishramika, wage price. Was the narrator happy with his reward as a poet? No, he was not happy with the reward as a poet. He was very repentful. Could understand? The narrator was not happy with this reward at the poet. Next one is question number 7. What was a more difficult situation for the narrator, to be injured by red or to overcome his fear of red when he saw red after his injury? So when the writer saw red after his injury, it was a more difficult situation for the writer to overcome his fear of red. Next one is what was the result of his second encounter with red? So in the second encounter with red, the writer lost courage, took to his aunt, repented and cried himself behind his door. He was ashamed of his cowardice. He was ashamed of his futile effort. So next question number, that is what 7? No, this is when the writer saw red after his injury. This is number 7. What was the result of his second? Oh, we have discussed it, right? Then next move to the page number, that is oh no, I don't know the number. Next page, yes. Warm up, that is unit 4, warm up. Fear of red or his cowardice. Red ର ଭୟ or ତାର ଭୀରୁତା. Which was more important for the narrator? କୋଉଟା ତାବେ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଥିଲା to deal with ମୁକାବିଲା କରିବା? What method did the speaker choose? को मेथड से चूज कले टू डील विथ मुकाबिला करिया हिज फियर तांकर जो भयटा मुकाबिला करिया को डिड ही सक्सीड इन हिज अटेम्प्ट तांकर प्रचेष्टा सक्सीड हेले कि टू कनक्वेर फियर तांकर भयटा को जय करिया को रीड द फॉलोइंग यूनिट ऑफ द टेक्स्ट एंड फॉर द आंसर्स राइट द टेक्स्ट I went into training with parallel bars. After the second encounter, the writer went into training with parallel bars and weights training gale. After every session, प्रत्येक अधिवेशन पर I would feel my muscles they were getting bigger. এই exercise कर सारा पर the writer felt that his muscles were getting bigger, but slowly, धीरे धीरे. Then I remembered something, not remained. Then I remembered something. मोर किसी गोटे मन पड़गला. So let's know what was that I had read in book about a miraculous. ମୁଁ गोटे ବହିରେ ପଢ଼ିଥିଲି miraculous अलौकिक घटना जापानीज मेथड ऑफ रेसलिंग आर जापानीज मेथड रेसलिंग गोटे बहिरे पढ़ी हु रेड द राइटर रेड व्हिच गेव एन एडवांटेज मत गोटे सुविधा देला टू दी वीक ओवर दी स्ट्रंग सेटा थिला दुर्बल मानक उपरे सबल मानक उपरे दुर्बल राजत्व आई एक्सचेंज्ड ए वीक्स रेशन कार्ड गोटे सप्ताह रेशन कार्ड एक्सचेंज कली फॉर ए टेक्स्ट ऑन जिट्सु बही उपरे गोटे रेशन कार्ड एक्सचेंज कर आनी पढ़ी फॉर 3 वीक्स 3 सप्ताह धरी आई स्टेड एट होम घरे रही practicing with 2 other boys आउ दुटा पिला को नेगिरी मो प्रैक्टिस कली हु द राइटर practiced with whom with 2 other boys where at home then I went out तापर बाहर गली रेड वाज स्टिल ऑन दी लान लान मीन्स आमर से जो घास बगीचा रे रेड वाज स्टिल ऑन दी लान इन आवर यार्ड आमर बारिपट बगीचा रे प्लेइंग भिंजिटेनो विथ इज लेफ्टिनेंट तार चाला चामचा को धरी से खेलुची ए गेमटा ना हूँ भिंजिटन ही वाज अब्जर्वड इन द गेम से पूरा गेम रे पूरा मजी जाइଥିଲା एट दैट टाइम व्हेन द राइटर वेंट आउट fear was still deep in mind then at that time fear was still deep in the writer's mind तांकर मुंडरे से भयटा सेमिति गभीर होइगिर थिला urging me to go back मते बाध्य करतला go away otherwise you will be beaten up as you were before पला नले आगर ओलिया माड खाऊ you must have your price you so go away his conscience was asking him to move back but his mind courage refrained him not to go ताऊ जीवा को दो नथुला but I went up to the players गली सीधा खिलाड़ी मान and kicked and scattered the cards गोटे दात मारली एंड स्केटर्ड सब जगह कार्ड विक्षिप्त कर पकईदेली कुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डिड द राइटर डू ही गैदर्ड करेज ही मास्टर्ड करेज सो साहस संग्रह कला वेंट टू द प्लेयर्स एंड किक्ड देम एंड किक्ड द कार्ड्स एंड द कार्ड्स वर स्केटर्ड अराउंड चारिआडे विक्षिप्त होकर पड़ला नेक्स्ट रेड लुक्ड अप व्हेन आई डिड सो मुझे कली रेड लुक्ड अप सरप्राइज एट माई इम्पुडेंस मोर ये जो इम्पुडेंस पाई मोर ये जो दाम्भिकता पाई मोर यही प्रकृति पाइली सी वाज आश्चर्य होगा आफ्टर माई रिसेंट फाइट मोर बर्तमान फाइट सते पूरा आश्चर्य होगा ही गट अप स्लोली हु गट अप स्लोली रेड गट अप स्लोली यू लुकिंग फॉर मोर बोधे ते बेस आउ टिके लोड़ा राइट रेड आस्क्ड द राइटर ते आउ टिके लोड़ा ना हाँ इट वाज नॉट इट इनफ फॉर यू ते यथेष्ट इन ना Who said it? Red said, was not it enough for you? You looking for more, right? Okay, I shall give you. That time I gave you some tiffin. Now I shall give you a full meal so that you will learn a good lesson. Who said all these things? Red said. So you looking for more, Yeah, okay, I shall give you. He asked mechanically. बड़ा विरक्त ये रागरे माने ये पूरा प्रचंड रागरे सी ताको पचारिला दौरात्मक भाव में ताको पचारिला आक्रमणात्मक भाव में पचारिला एज बिफोर पूर्व पूर्व भली हिज हेड डाइव्ड हिज हैंड डाइव्ड इनटू हिज पॉकेट कुड अंडरस्टैंड while saying all these things Red put his hand in his pocket for the knuckle duster, but I made a quick jabbing movement. But do you know what did I do? Do you know what did the writer do? The writer just made a jabbing movement. हठात किना गोटे movement कले and Red howling with pain. Red jabbing movement ता धरि पकेली and howling with pain. যন্ত্রণায় গঁ গঁ করি হু হাওলেড রেড হাওলেড rolled on the ground जो भूमि पर गड़िला could understand what happened the writer attacked Red before he could take out the knuckle duster and hit the writer bewildered पूरा एकदम मुंडो विभ्रांत हो गला बाया आयला he got up उठिला who got up Red got up and came at me swinging his head मो आड़ को धसई आसला माड़ी आसला swinging बेले मुंडो हले हले कोवलिया ना माना ये माना षंड मुंडो जिंदी हले हले सिंदी आसला furiously उग्र भाव रे from side to side like a maddened bull maddened पागल bull भलिया षंड भलिया मो आड़ माड़ी आसला could understand I caught his wrist Who caught it? The writer caught Red wrist कचिड़ा को धरी पकेली and squeezed slowly मोड़ी देली धीरे मोड़ी देली as I had read the in the book जिन बही रे पढ़ी थी सेमिति आगे ताहात कचिड़ा मोड़ी देली until the knuckle duster dropped from his limp fingers तार knuckle duster ताकर ये जो भंगा अंगूठी पड़िला पर्यंत I did it so nursing his hand Red fell down again. तार हाथ लगी नी करी he fell down. Who fell down? Red fell down. This time Red was taught a good lesson. He was sobbing. कोई कांदो था. Who was sobbing? Who was weeping? Who was crying? Red was crying. And swimming tears. तार आखिर लुह जाके चारियारे तार बोली आउतला. Over his पक मार्केड फेस तार तो बसंत मुहार फेस था पूरा कहते लुहर बोली होता विथ इज ग्राबी फीस्ट गुड अंडरस्टैंड नेक्स्ट दैट डे Red seized to be the monarch of our state आउ से दिन आगा से राज्यर सम्राट पदटा छाड़देला से राज्यर दादागिरी तार से दिन पड़ेगा एंड Red was taught a good lesson and from that day he was dethroned पूरा आगे गादीच्युत हो गला from the position and from that day on say दिन ठारू I knew मु जानती for certain that one need not fear the strong मुझे तल बुझिली one need not fear the strong कौन सी शक्तिशाली लोग भय करिया किसी लोड़ा है क्या नहीं all one needs is आमी जहाँ लोड़ा करची to know the way to beat them तांको कि इंदी beat करिया तांको इंदी teach करिया तांको कि इंदी गोटे शिक्षा देवा से वेट आम जानिया दरकार फॉर एवरी स्ट्रंग मैन प्रत्येक शक्तिशाली लोक बोलिकी मे बी ए गुन मे बी ए राउडी मे बी ए सेनी वे फॉर एवरी स्ट्रंग मैन देर इज ए स्पेशल जू जिट्सु तापी गोटे जू जिट्स थाए एज एवरी लक हेज ए की जमीती गोटे प्रत्येक लकर की थाए से प्रत्येक जनकर हैव ए वीक पॉइंट्स एंड फ्लैश इन दैट फ्लैश दैट वीक पॉइंट्स are the tools to defeat them right next what I also learned आउ मु मध्य कौन शिखिली on this occasion ए अवसर was that से थिला जे to be a poet बार मध्य शिखिली कहीं I didn't have any experience of writing a poem but this situation this fellow Red taught me how to write a poem I had not only to write poems मत करिया पड़ी नथिला कविता लेखिया पड़ी नथिला केवल कविता लेखिया पड़ी नथिला बट नो जानिया पड़ला हाउ टू स्टैंड अप फॉर देम तांको पई कविता पई मते आमे केमिति छिड़ाई पारिबा तो नेक्स्ट वन इज यू नो दैट इज यस ग्रोसरी here are some grocery. Let's have look on it. Yes, grocery. Parallel bars. So a pair of parallel bars on post for gymnastic exercise. Right. Session. Single meeting for a particular purpose. That is called session. Could understand? Next. Miraculous. Miraculous अलौकिक. Most remarkable like a miracle. ଜୁଜିଟ୍ସୁ ଜାପାନିଜ୍ ଆର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ସେଲ୍ଫ ଡିଫେନ୍ସ ନିଜ ସୁରକ୍ଷା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଯେଉଁ କୌଶଳଟା କୁହାଯାଏ ଜୁଜିଟ୍ସୁ। ଭିଣ୍ଟିଂଟନ୍ ଏ କାର୍ଡ଼ ଗେମ୍, ଇଟ୍ସ ଏ କାର୍ଡ଼ ଗେମ୍। ଅବଜର୍ଭଡ୍ ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାରଲି ଅକୁପାଇଡ୍ ଗିଭିଂ ୱାନ୍ସ ଫୁଲ୍ ଆଟେନସନ୍, ଅବଜର୍ଭ ପୁରା ମଜି ଯାଇଥାଏ, ନିମଜ୍ଜିତ। ଇମ୍ପୁଡେନ୍ସ ଆଟର ଡିସରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଅର୍ ରୁଡନେସ୍, ଉଦ୍ଧତ ପଣିଆ। ଇମ୍ପୁଡେନ୍ସ ହେଉଛି ଉଦ୍ଧତ। ମେନାଙ୍କଲି इन ए थ्रेटेनिंग मैनर गोटे भयंकर भय धमकपूर्ण भाव में। विवेंडल्ड पजल्ड कन्फ्यूज्ड विभ्रांत एवरीथिंग विथ दिस दैट इज एंड ऑफ टुडेज लेसन। वी शैल डिस्कस द अदर पार्ट्स इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास। टिल देन बाय, थैंक यू।